We've all been there. Those days when you'd rather binge, watch Netflix, scroll through social media, or just hit the snooze button one more time. But guess what? You have the power to break free from the clutches of laziness and achieve your dreams. Let's kick things off by understanding what laziness really is. Laziness is not about being tired or needing rest. It's that sneaky voice inside your head that says, "I'll do it later." It's the temptation to procrastinate and put off important tasks. Laziness can hold you back from reaching your full potential, but it doesn't have to. The first step to conquering laziness is setting clear goals. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve? Whether it's acing your exams, getting into your dream college, or mastering a new skill, write down your goals and visualize them every day. Now, let's talk about taking action. You don't have to climb a mountain in a single step. Break your tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. Create a to-do list and start checking off those boxes. Each small victory brings you one step closer to your goals. Time management is your secret weapon. Plan your day. Prioritize your tasks and eliminate distractions. Turn off your phone, close those unnecessary tabs, and create a focused work environment. Time is your most valuable resource. Use it wisely. Don't forget to celebrate your successes. No matter how small the win, reward yourself. It's essential to acknowledge your hard work and stay motivated on your journey. Seek inspiration from others. Watch motivational videos, read success stories, and find mentors who can guide you. Surround yourself with positivity and determination. Inevitably, you'll face setbacks. But remember, setbacks are not failures. They're opportunities to learn and grow stronger. Stay persistent and resilient, and you'll come out on top. In conclusion, laziness may try to hold you back, but you have the power to break free. You have incredible potential within you, waiting to be unleashed. So, my fellow students, let's banish laziness from our lives. Every day, take one step closer to your dreams. The world is eagerly awaiting your success. Thanks for watching this motivational video. Now go out there and make it happen.